Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use filter function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use filter function or filter formula in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have prepared a report, sales report, employee sales report. This is my employee name. This is the location of my employee. This is sale 2022. This is sale of 2023, and this is sale of 2024. Here I have created one other table. Okay, this is location. Okay, India, England, Australia, and South Africa. Now I want to bring all the employee from India here. I want to bring all the employee from England here, and all the employee from Australia here, and all the employee from South Africa here. So I have to use filter function for that. So just what you have to do, equals to, then type filter. Okay, then here it will ask for array. Okay, so choose this employee name here, then comma. Now it will ask for include, so I want to include this location also. So after that you have to just click on equals button. Okay, then select this cell. Okay, so it will take this and bracket close. Now you will see all the employee from India. You will see this here. Now you can do the same thing in England, in Australia, and South Africa. So like this you can use filter function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.